Okay, guys, this is the USDJPY weekly chart, and this happens to be the 3rd of February 2017. Uh, the market has broken above significant lows at 1110 or the 11100 area. We can see some bit of bullish pressure somewhere around there. This week, we saw the market trying to make a lower low at that point because of Trumponomics. In other words, Trump citing fears of citing strength in the US dollar, giving the market participants a premonition that he may be looking at policies that could weaken the US dollar. Okay, now pulling the fib up from that point to that point, that's the 38.2% retracement zone. Today is a stronger, today is the employment numbers from the US, the NFP data. We've seen clues pointing to a possible increase in the job numbers today. Wednesday ADP numbers came out at 246, above forecast of 165. That's a huge number. Challenges on grade job cuts came out at minus 38.8, which is also a plus. Weekly unemployment claims fell way below expectation at 246K. We're seeing low job, low numbers in the weekly unemployment claims. The ISM manufacturing, the employment sub-index of the ISM manufacturing also came out at a 6-month high, or 6-month high. Yeah, we say 6 straight month of expansion, and also almost at a 2-year high. Point of correction, please. So all of these are pointing to a positive job numbers today. Nevertheless, on the flip side, that may not eventually happen. So in other words, we're looking for a buy somewhere around this point to narrow down to the 4-hour chart, pulling out fib from that point all the way there. The market is right now at I think the 127 extension area. Yeah, not exactly on the 127 extension area, but very close, very close. So all of that are pointing to a possible continuation in the uptrend. Yeah, that would have been a good place to get into the longs, but we see the market already pushing as the market is pricing in a positive NFP numbers today. So probably if we could get a retest of this zone or this particular zone there. Just a minute, let me put out the crosshair. Yeah, that zone or this zone, it could give us an opportunity to join in on the longs if we're looking at trading the USDJPY. That was a bearish, a bullish butterfly. Fortunately, price did really push into that zone. That's the 127 extension I spoke about. Price did really push into that zone, so it didn't give us the opportunity to join in on the bull trend right around that zone. Nevertheless. We're looking for continuation in the bull trend as the markets keep pricing in better than expected NFP data, also with the divergence in policies between the Bank of Japan and the Federal Reserve Bank of America. We could see a continuation in the uptrend in prices.